Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the General Examination Physical Examination Form. A physical examination form is used to capture complaints, notes, symptoms, images, medical history, general history, family history, vital measurements, Sideroom investigations, as well as the J.A.C.C.O.L.D examination. Performing a physical examination on a regular basis can help the practitioner to treat any underlying issues before they become a larger problem, which would make treatment more manageable for the patient. In this video, we will start on a general examination form screen. For more information regarding the general examination form, please refer to the General Examination Overview User Manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Physical Examination Panel. The Physical Examination Panel will expand. We will now go over the various fields and buttons found within the Physical Examination Panel. The Complaint Text field, which is a free text field, is used by the practitioner to type the complaints received by the patient. Click on the Complaint Text field and type in the complaint of the patient. The practitioner can type in the Notes text field, which is a free text field, regarding the patient's current consultation. Click on the Notes text field and type in the applicable information. In order to do a voice recording, click on the Add Voice Recording button. The Voice Record screen will open, which can be used to make, upload, transcribe, and listen to audio recordings. For more information on how to add a voice recording, please refer to the Add Voice Recording User Manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Close button to return to the Physical Examination Panel and exit without saving. Click on the Save button to save all the changes made and return to the Physical Examination Panel. Click on the Add Image button to upload any images regarding the patient. The video capture screen will open. For more information on how to add an image, please refer to the How to Upload an Image Photo User Manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Close button to return to the Physical Examination Panel and exit without saving. Click on the Save and Reopen button to save any captured images and return to the video capture screen. Click on the Save button to save all the changes made and return to the Physical Examination Panel. Click on the Add Symptom button to add any symptoms the patient might be experiencing. An additional free text field to add symptoms will open. Type in a symptom the patient is experiencing. The practitioner can add more fields to add all the symptoms the patient is experiencing. Click on the minus button in the specific line to remove the symptom from the general examination form. Now, let us go over the History subpanel. The History subpanel will expand once clicked on. The History subpanel consists of 3 additional subpanels which will expand and collapse when clicking on each panel, namely Allergies, General History, and Vaccinations. For more information regarding the History panel, please refer to the History User Manual linked in this video's description. Now, let us go over each panel. First, click on the Allergies subpanel to expand. The practitioner is able to add or update the patient's allergies from within the Allergies panel. For more information regarding the Allergies subpanel, please refer to the Allergies User Manual linked in this video's description. Next, click on the General History subpanel to expand. The user will be able to find or complete information about past illnesses, operations, family illnesses, tests, and results of the patient within the General History subtab. Within the General History subpanel, an additional subpanel is available to indicate any family history regarding medical conditions. Finally, click on the Family History subpanel to expand. The user is able to tick the checkbox next to any of the family illness or disease options that exist within the patient's family history. For more information regarding the General History subpanel, please refer to the General History User Manual linked in this video's description. Next, we shall discuss the Vaccinations subpanel. Click on the Vaccinations subpanel to expand. The user is able to add vaccinations for the patient as well as for babies. For more information regarding the Vaccinations subpanel, please refer to the Vaccination User Manual linked in this video's description. We will now take a look at the Vital Measurements section. The Vital Measurements section will be completed to capture the patient's vitals, which are the measurements of the body's most basic functions. For more information regarding the Vital Measurements section, please refer to the Vital Measurements User Manual linked in this video's description. Next, we will go over the Sideroom Investigations section. The Sideroom investigation section has to be completed to indicate information such as glucose levels, urate tests, LDL and HDL levels, triglycerides, total cholesterol, and whether the patient is pregnant, has HIV or malaria. For more information regarding the Sideroom investigation section, please refer to the Sideroom investigations user manual linked in this video's description. Next, we will go over the J.A.C.C.O.L.D section. The J.A.C.C.O.L.D examination allows the practitioner to indicate whether the patient suffers from any diseases from the J.A.C.C.O.L.D acronym, such as jaundice, anemia, clubbing and spooning, cyanosis, edema, lymphadenopathy, and dehydration. For more information regarding the J.A.C.C.O.L.D section, please refer to the J.A.C.C.O.L.D user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Add Image button to upload any images regarding the patient. The video capture screen will open. For more information regarding the video capture screen, please refer to the How to Upload an Image Photo user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Close button to return to the Physical Examination Panel and exit without saving. Click on the Save button to save all the changes made and return to the Physical Examination Panel. Click on the Complete button to indicate that the physical examination has been completed and all necessary information has been recorded. Click on the Close button to exit the screen and return to the Clinical Case screen. Click on the Save and Close drop-up menu to see more saving options available. Click on the Save button to save all changes made. Click on the Save Lines to New Macro button to create a new macro. For more information on how to save lines to a new macro, please refer to the Macros Billing Combinations user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Save and Close button to save the information entered on the General Examination screen and return to the Diary screen.